care of my mom, going there morning, noon, and night to make sure she was taken care of. Yeah.
So Jennifer, I'm just going to jump in right now. What we're doing is I'm just getting little video clips for Howard. He's gonna upload these right now. So I'm gonna, pardon me for being redundant, but I'll just ask you a couple of more questions and stuff like that. So you told me now you work in education, special ed, program specialist. You're in Corona Norco.
Yes.
Right. And you have granddaughters but no daughters. Is that right?
Correct. I have 2 sons and 5 grandchildren, 4 girls and 1 boy. I got cute little girls.
So very good, very good. So you're, and we were just, our conversation was just really worrying about and taking care of your father and trying to make some decisions with dignity and all of that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Probably what'll happen is I'll just be taking care of him. I know that's what I need to do. He's just so precious. You know I need to do it, but I don't want to retire. That's what I've been holding on to. I love my job.
Sure. Good for you.
Yeah.
There's a small number of us who are in that same position.
Okay, I definitely will. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Jen.